Hi everybody, I just wanted to say hello and hopefully you guys will like and subscribe and follow me on YouTube, Facebook, and I also just started Instagram, so thanks so much. Hello everybody, I am going to attempt to fix this painting. Here's the finished dry painting. Sorry I did it again. I wanted to fix those cliffs and I just decided I wanted a brighter painting, so I added some trees. So it would be a from up above kind of painting. So if you can see. I added some blues, some greens, some light green, and a little bit of yellow. It was just too dark of a painting, and the cliffs took away from the lava flow. I hope everybody likes it. Thanks for watching. Bye.